I don't have anywhere to go right now. I was actually just working after doing some video editing, but my watch says it's 28 degrees outside and the streets are dry, so it's safe. And I just gotta get this car out when it's this cold because the turbos really go off once the temperature drops, man. And I'm going out of town later this week, so won't be able to drive. And I just gotta know what this baby's capable of in below freezing weather. Gotta get out of the garage before I set the alarm off on the other car. Bye, baby. Look how close I get right there. Ooh, too close. Oh, man, that's close. Man, this thing pulls, dog. Hey Siri, call mom.
Calling mom, mobile.
Yep. Little traffic here.
Yes, my son.
Mom, do y'all have any coffee over there?
Of course we got coffee.
Oh, well, I need a cup. I'm out of coffee over here. I'll be
come
over
on,
there in about
get your
15 minutes.
Okay. See you in the few.
All right, bye-bye.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Your life is gonna be what you make it. And you have to understand that the things that happen to you just don't matter as much as how you perceive the things that happen to you. Now, of course, that's easy for me to say, driving around in a 911 Carrera T, car with twin turbos in it, that just goes, dog, and it really makes your day brighter. But I made this happen in my life. I wasn't born with a 911 twin turbo. I made it happen, dog. Go out and make something happen for yourself today. Yeah, probably stayed out too long. Got a little ice on this Porsche now. But if you don't have ice on your Porsche, do you really drive it? I mean, this one's driven.